What's up, YouTube? Hey, what's going on, everybody? Yeah, I hope everyone's having a productive Monday. Today's Monday. Hope everyone's starting the week off strong. And yeah, did you notice I cut my hair? It's short. Anyways, today I'm going to show you guys how we create face masks from scratch, and then also using our direct-to-garment printer to print on it. I know there's other videos on YouTube on how to print on face masks where the face mask is already created, and some of them have like the platen to put the face mask on there so it's easier for you to print. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create it from scratch. So it consists of having your own fabric, a printer of course, and some elastic. But yeah, so doing it this way, you're able to create a full print because you will have the template on how to, where to place the image. So I know you might have seen like pictures of people wearing like face masks that from like the nose down, from like the nose chin. It's like a picture of someone. Oh, you might have seen Kerry Washington. That one was funny. There's someone wearing a face mask of Kerry Washington, just like her nose down. I'll post a picture here. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys how to create that using your direct-to-garment printer. We always have like fabric laying around. So we do have like a roll of cotton black fabric that we're going to be using. So I'm going to show you how we create that and sew it together. So there's a lot of changes happening at 1921 Print Shop, and we've moved a lot of things around. We added some slat walls to the print shop and then moved our DTG printer on the other side of the room. But we'll do another print shop tour once it's all finished, because right now the print shop is looking a little messy. So yeah, we'll do another print shop tour soon, because yeah, see, that was the TV, we took it down. But all right, so for this project you're going to need a sewing machine, some fabric. So I'm going to be using the solid black 100% cotton fabric because it prints 100% cotton prints good with direct-to-garment printer. Some scissors and then some elastic. You can go to Joann's and buy the elastic they sell there. We have fabric that is pretty stretchy, so we're going to use this as elastic. And then of course the printer. So the platen I'm going to be using is the 14 by 16. So you're going to want to measure 14 by 16, and then this is going to be 2-layer. So I'm going to be printing the top, the template with my design, and then I'm going to cut it out, and then so your mask is going to be a 2-layer cotton mask. Because we're using a black garment, the first thing you want to do is pre-treat the garment. After that, you're going to go ahead and use the heat press. Make sure it's nice and dry, and then you're going to load it into the printing machine. Make sure you lay it nice and flat. So I forgot to show you guys how I created the mask template and uploaded the design. So if you want to see that video, just comment below. Also, if you want the mask template, just comment below and I can email that to you. So right now we are uploading the design, make sure it's the right size, and then we went ahead and sent it over to the printer so we can print it on the fabric. So a trick that we do to get our colors very vibrant is to hover over the heat press for about 10 seconds and then close it all the way. What you can also do is lay the garments to the side for about 20-30 minutes and then use the heat press. So when that's dry, you're going to go ahead and cut out the outline of the mask. So after you have the pieces cut out, you're going to go ahead and fold it and then take it over to the sewing machine. You're going to sew the top part where I pointed at and the bottom part. So I didn't notice while I was recording that my hand was covering the camera every time I did a back stitch. So you're going to see the back of my hand a lot. Sorry guys. So after you finish sewing, you're going to go ahead and open both pieces up, and then you're going to face both of the pieces together. So the front of the mask and the back of the mask are going to be facing each other. And then you're going to go ahead and sew around the mask except the sides. After you finish sewing around the mask, you're going to go ahead and turn it inside out. And now the design of the mask should be facing forward. And now you're going to go ahead and fold the sides in, and you're going to add your elastic. And there you go, we created our own mask using a DTG printer and a sewing machine. So these masks are reusable, so you can wash them as many times as you want, and they're a 2-layer cotton mask. Alright, so now Chucky's trying on the mask that we just created. It looks good. The print looks good. Print looks vibrant. So again, we use 100% cotton mask. And then this is the other one. So this is actually his brand, his characters that he makes for his brand. That's one of his newest design. So YouTube, you got to see it first. Looks good.
Yeah, I like them.